डिफरेंस लिखो। नमस्कार। Today I will discuss the examples on homogeneous equation with constant variable coefficient. A differential equation and a function phi1 are given in each of the following. Verify the function phi1 satisfy the equation and find a second independent solutions. X square y double dash minus 7xy dash plus 15y is equal to 0. Phi 1 of x equal to x cube. X greater than 0. X y double dash minus x plus 1y dash plus y is equal to 0. Phi 1 of x equal to e raised to x. X greater than 0. 1 minus x square y double dash minus 2xy dash plus 2y is equal to 0. Phi 1 of x equal to x. 0 less than x less than 1. Answer phi 1 of x equal to x cube. Therefore phi 1 dash of x is equal to 3x square. Phi 1 double dash of x is equal to 6x. L of phi 1 is equal to x square phi 1 double dash minus 7x phi 1 dash plus 15 phi 1 is equal to x square 6x minus 7x 3x square plus 15x square is equal to 0. Since L of phi 1 is equal to 0 and phi 1 is the solutions of L of y is equal to 0, to determine the second solutions, since x greater than 0, we can divide the given equation by x square. Consider y double dash minus 7 by x y dash plus 15 by x square y is equal to 0. Let phi of x is equal to u of phi 1 of x is equal to x square u of x be a solution. Then x cube u of x double dash minus 7 by x cube u dash plus 15 by x square x cube u is equal to 0. Gives u double dash x cube plus 6x square u dash plus 6x u minus 7 by x cube u dash plus 3x square u plus 15 by x square u x cube u is equal to 0, or u double dash x cube plus 6x square u dash minus 7x square u dash is equal to 0. That is u double dash x minus u dash is equal to 0. U double dash divided by u dash is equal to 1 by x. Integrate with respect to x. U log of u dash p is equal to log x plus log k. Therefore u dash is equal to kx. Therefore u is equal to kx square by 2. For k is equal to 2. Therefore phi of x equal to u of x. Phi 1 of x is equal to x square x cube is equal to x raised to pi u is the second solution independent of phi 1. Therefore c1 x raised to x cube plus c2 x raised to pi u is equal to 0 implies that c1 is equal to c2 is equal to 0. Second one, phi 1 of x is equal to e raised to x. Phi 1 dash of x is equal to phi 1 double dash of x is equal to e raised to x. Let L of y is equal to y dash y double dash minus 1 plus 1 by x y dash plus 1 by x y is equal to 0. We can divide the given equation by x as x greater than 0. L of phi 1 is equal to e raised to x minus 1 plus 1 by x e raised to x plus 1 by x e raised to x is equal to 0. Therefore phi 1 is the solutions. To determine second solution, let phi of x is equal to u of x, phi 1 of x be a solution. Then by theorem, u of x is equal to integral of 1 by phi 1 of square of x exponential of integral minus a1 of t dt dx is equal to e raised to minus 2x exponential of 1 plus 1 by x dx is equal to integral of e raised to minus 2x exponential of x plus log x dx is equal to e raised to minus 2x x e raised to x dx is equal to x e raised to x e raised to minus x dx is equal to minus 1 plus x e raised to minus x. Therefore, phi 2 of x equal to minus 1 plus x is the second solution of the equations L of y is equal to 0. Thus, phi 2 of x is equal to minus 1 plus x is the second solutions of the equation L of y is equal to 0. C1 pi 1 of x plus C2 pi 2 of x is equal to C1 e raised to x plus C2 minus 1 plus x is equal to 0. C1 plus C2 differentiating minus 1 plus x e raised to minus x equal to 0. Putting then C2 is equal to C1 is equal to 0. Therefore, pi 1 is equal to pi 1 and pi 2 are linearly independent solutions. Third, pi 1 of x is equal to x, pi 1 dash of x is equal to 1, pi 1 double dash of x is equal to 0. Let L of y is equal to y double dash minus 2x divided by 1 minus x square and y dash plus 2y divided by 1 minus x square y is equal to 0. L of y is equal to 0 minus 2x divided by 1 minus x square 1 plus 2x divided by 1 minus x square is equal to 0. Therefore, pi 1 is a solution. L of y is equal to 0. To determine second solution, let phi 2 of x is equal to u of x pi 1 of x be a solutions of L of y is equal to 0. By theorem, u of x is equal to integral of 1 upon pi 1 square exponential of minus integral over x a1 of t dt dx is equal to integration of 1 upon x square exponential of minus integration over x minus 2t divided by 1 minus t square dt dx is equal to 1 minus 1 upon x square integral 1 divided by 1 minus x square dx is equal to integral of dx divided by x square into 1 minus x square is equal to integral of dx divided by x square plus 1 by 2 dx divided by integral of dx divided by 1 minus x square plus 1 by 2 integral of dx divided by 1 plus x square x is equal to minus x raised to minus 1 plus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. Then pi 2 of x is equal to pi 1 of x into u of x is equal to minus 1 plus 1 x by 2 log of 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x is the second solutions. Next question problem. One solutions of x cube y triple dash minus 3x square y double dash minus 6xy dash minus 6y is equal to 0 for x greater than 0 is pi 1 of x is equal to x. Find the remaining two independent solutions for x greater than 0. Let phi is equal to xu be a solutions of L of y is equal to 0. Then phi dash is equal to xu dash plus u pi double dash is equal to xu dash plus 2u dash pi double dash is equal pi triple dash equal to xu triple dash plus 3u double dash. L of phi is equal to x cube x u double triple dash plus 3u u double dash minus 3x square x u double dash plus 2u dash plus 6x x u dash plus u minus 6x u is equal to 0 implies that x is to 4 u triple dash is equal to 0. Since x is not equal to 0, u triple dash is equal to 0 gives u is equal to c1x plus c2x square. Thus u is equal to x and u is equal to x square. U is equal to x and u is equal to x square are two linearly independent solutions of u triple dash of x. U triple dash is equal to 0, but phi is equal to x u is the solutions. Therefore, pi 2 of x is equal to x square, pi 3 of x is equal to x cube are remaining two linearly independent solutions. Next question, problem. Consider the equation L of y is equal to y triple dash plus a1 of x y double dash plus a2 of x y dash plus a3 of x y is equal to 0. Suppose phi 1 and phi 2 are given linearly independent solutions of L of y is equal to 0. Let phi is equal to u phi 1 and compute the solutions of order 2 satisfied by u dash in order that L of phi is equal to 0. Show that phi 2 divided by phi 1 dash is a solution of this equation of order 2. Let phi is equal to u phi 1 be a solution of L of y is equal to 0. Pi dash is equal to u dash pi 1 plus u pi 1 dash. Pi double dash is equal to u double dash pi 1 plus 2 u dash pi 1 dash plus u pi 1 double dash. Pi triple dash is equal to u triple dash pi 1 plus 3 u double dash pi 1 dash plus 3 u dash pi 1 dash pi 1 double dash plus u pi 1 double dash. L of y is equal to u triple dash pi 1 plus 3 u double dash pi 1 dash plus 3 u dash pi 1 double dash plus u pi 1 double dash triple dash plus a1 of x u double dash pi 1 plus 2 u dash pi 1 dash plus u pi 1 dash plus a2 of x u dash pi 1 plus u pi 1 dash plus a3 of x u pi 1 is equal to 0. Since pi 1 is the solutions, pi 1 double dash plus a1 pi 1 double dash plus a2 pi 1 dash plus a3 pi 1 is equal to 0. L of y is equal to u triple dash pi 1 plus 3 u double dash pi 1 dash plus 3 u dash pi 1 double dash plus a2 of x u double dash pi 1 plus 2 u dash pi 1 dash plus a2 of x u dash pi 1 dash pi 1 is equal to 0 is equal to pi 1 u triple dash plus 3 pi 1 dash plus a2 of x pi 1 u double dash plus 3 pi 1 double dash plus 2a1 pi 1 dash plus a2 pi 1 u dash is equal to 0. Thus L of y is equal to 0 is an equation of order 2 in u dash. Pi 2 divided by pi 1 dash is the solutions of L of y v is equal to pi 1 v double dash plus 3 pi 1 plus a1 pi 1 v dash plus 3 pi 1 double dash plus 2a1 pi 1 dash plus a2 pi 1 v is equal to 0. If it satisfies the equations L of v is equal to 0, v is equal to pi 2 divided by pi 1 dash is equal to pi 2 dash divided by pi 1 minus pi 2 pi 1 dash divided by pi 1 square. V dash is equal to pi 2 double dash divided by pi 1 minus pi 1 dash pi 2 dash divided by pi 1 square minus pi 1 dash pi 2 dash divided by pi 1 square minus pi 2 dash pi 1 double dash divided by pi 1 square plus 2 pi 2 pi 1 dash square pi 1 cube and so on. L of v is equal to pi 1 v double dash plus 3 pi 1 dash plus a1 pi 1 v dash plus 3 pi 1 double dash plus 2a1 pi 1 pi 1 dash plus a2 pi 1 v plus is equal to pi 2 double dash a1 pi 1 double dash pi 2 double dash plus a2 pi 2 dash minus phi 2 divided by phi 1 triple dash minus a1 phi 1 double dash plus a2 phi 1 dash. Since phi 2 and phi 1 are solutions, phi 2 double dash plus a1 phi 2 double dash phi 2 triple dash plus a1 phi 2 double dash plus a2 phi 2 dash plus a3 phi 1 phi 2 is equal to 0, and phi 1 double dash triple dash plus a1 phi 1 double dash plus a2 phi 1 dash plus a3 phi 1 is equal to 0, and therefore L of u is equal to minus a3 phi 2 minus phi 2 divided by phi 1 minus a3 phi 1 is equal to 0, and thus v is equal to pi 2 divided by pi 1 dash is a solutions of reduced equations.